Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find CSGO skins with name tags on the Steam market. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Community tab. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Market. This will take you directly to the Steam Community Market, where you can browse and purchase various in-game items. Now, once you're on the Market page, look for the search bar on the right panel of your screen. You'll see a field that says Search Items. Click on this search bar and type in the name of the skin you're looking for. For instance, let's say you want to find an AWP Asimov, so go ahead and type that into the search field. Of course, you can search for any other gun or skin that you prefer. This search function helps you narrow down the massive marketplace to exactly what you're after. After you've typed in your search, you'll see a list of results appear below. From these results, click on AWP Asimov or whichever skin you searched for. This will filter the market to show you all available listings for that particular skin. It's important to click on the specific item from the drop-down to ensure you're viewing the correct listings. Once you're viewing all the listings for your chosen skin, scroll down and browse through the different results. Each listing represents a different seller and potentially different conditions or prices for the same skin. Take your time here to compare prices and conditions. When you find a listing that catches your eye, click on your preferred gun from the results. This will open up the detailed listing page for that specific item. Now, here's where you can verify if the skin has a name tag. In the right panel of the detailed listing page, you'll see all the information about that particular skin. This is where the name tag will be displayed if the skin has one. The name tag shows the custom name that the previous owner gave to the weapon, which can add personality and sometimes even value to the skin. Some players prefer skins with funny or creative name tags, while others look for clean, unnamed versions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to find CSGO skins with name tags on the Steam market. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.